Alright guys, this is going to be a new video about this 52-inch Craftmade ceiling fan. Yeah, I'll be first demonstrating the light kit first, but this fan is a Craftmade. I can't figure out the model of it. I just know that our landlords installed this inside our house a long time ago. Probably about somewhere around 2015 or so. Or 20. I don't know, 20 something. But anyway, let's demonstrate the light kit. As you may see, this works. Chain sometimes gets stuck. It's a really new fan. It looks new, but it's kind of dusty. So here we go. Low. Slow, low. Please ignore the background noise. My sibling and my stepdad is playing Minecraft together. Playing Minecraft. And yeah. This fan looks like a lot of air. But not as much as my Hunter does. But I guess you could say it's pretty decent. I mean, it's a builder. What can you expect? They go fast. Alright, now that you've seen low, medium. I think this is medium. Yep, this is medium. This fan goes fast. Woohoo! Look at that ceiling fan go. This fan go fast. Anyway, we'll turn it on high, but I won't do it for long because it wobbles. But if you see on camera, it goes really fast. It's off. Oh, wait. The lights, they're cool. It's got frosted shades, just like how my Hunter used to have. Yeah, these are LEDs. The ones inside my Hunter is a candelabra. Yeah. You probably know that already, though. Also, I'm recording on my 3DS XL, so yeah. Just relax, because the fan slows down for a pretty long time. The bearings are pretty good, because they don't make any noise. So just sit down and relax and probably read a book. Also, this is my kitchen fan, if you may know. You've probably known that already, though. And that's all. And make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah. And turn on the notifications for more, so you can be on notifications squad. And now, this is Ceiling Fans 94 out.